I am now going to show you how to start off making your texture word project. So we're going to make a new file and we'll call it HTB texture words. I want it to be letter size, so if that doesn't show, that should show up in your recent, but you can also go to print and choose letter. That's 612 by 792 points. Also, if you want to make sure, you can change it to inches. It should be 8.5 by 11 inches. And then you choose your orientation, landscape or portrait, and one artboard. Create. Alrighty. So you should have already found 6 textures, at least 6 textures that you want to use for this project. So we're going to place, I'm just going to do one to show you how this works. We're going to go to File and Place, and I am going to choose my, alright, now this I know is going to be really big because I got it from a free texture background site. So if I don't want to have to resize it like crazy, I can just drag out about the size that I want. There we go. So this embed, and now I have this nice picture. It's a textured picture of a window. So I'm going to think about a word, a descriptive word that I want to use to describe this window. And the word that I want to use is pebbled. So I'm going to take my type tool and click down here. Lorem ipsum is our filler text, and as you can see up here, it's Myriad Pro, regular, 12 point. We don't like Myriad Pro, but we're going to change the word to pebbled, P-E-B-B-L-E-D. And now we're going to work with that word a little bit. So I want the word to be bigger, of course. Make it bigger, bigger, bigger. And I don't like Myriad Pro, so I'm going to look through here. I want something that's sort of bold. We're going to make cutout. We're going to put this word over the picture, and it will cut the picture into the shape of the letters. So I want to have enough of a letter that we can actually sort of see the texture in it. So I'm going to go with something a little bit bold. I'll go with quantify. All right, and now I want to think about which part of this picture I want to be the words cut out of. So I sort of want to have a little bit of this part and of this part. So I'm going to turn my word, and if I go to the edge of my text box, a little turny arrow will show up. So I'm going to rotate this a little bit, and I want to make sure that my word is above the I want to make sure that my word is above, is covering the photo totally. So now it is. All right. And now I want to highlight both of these things. We're going to make what's called a clipping mask. And this is the way you can crop any picture into a shape that you want it to be. So you want the thing that you're going to be cutting out on top, and then the thing that you want it to be cut out of on the bottom. So we have our texture image below, our text above. We're going to drag to highlight all of that. And then we are going to go to edit, object, go down to clipping mask and make. And now pebbled is made from that photograph. And you're going to do that 6 times. At least 6 times, at least 6 words, and you're going to put those on this sheet. So it would be nice for you to maybe experiment. I didn't have to turn it straight. Maybe I would want to do it so that all the words are in different directions. Maybe make this look really sort of interesting for when we print it. But you're going to do at least 6 descriptive words with textures cut out from textures. So have fun.